Now let's head on over to the Netherlands, where we have our EBC correspondent Malu Francisco to give us an update there on the situation there and to give us some positive insights in these interesting times. Malu?
Yes, good morning, everyone, over there in the Philippines and all over the world. Now, here's the situation in the European Union, just to give you a big picture. Topping the list of cases, we have, of course, Italy, followed by Spain, then France, Germany, United Kingdom, and then comes the country where I am, the Netherlands. And as of yesterday, the latest report, and the 15th of March, and this was put out by the Dutch National Institute for Public Health and the Environment, 1400 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon local time, Central European time. There was a total of 1,135 persons tested positive. And as to measures, the government has taken new measures in response to the pressures from the medical specialists and from the educators. So starting today, it is the 16th of March, all schools and daycare centers in the Netherlands are to be shut from today, March 16, until at least the 6th of April. And that's in an effort to prevent the spread of coronavirus. The Dutch government on Sunday announced the new nationwide measures after a crisis meeting with health experts and education officials. Now, you might ask, how will the students continue their studies? Well, it's in place. There will be learning online, so school continues online. And Prime Minister Rutte of the Netherlands will be addressing the nation at 7 o'clock Central European time, 7 o'clock in the evening. And the Prime Minister will talk about a difficult situation the Dutch find themselves in and the need to take measures which have been taken and possible further developments in the coming weeks. The last time a Dutch Prime Minister addressed the nation on television was in the 1970s during the oil crisis. And here are some of the positive items that we have here in the Netherlands. As we all know, a research group headed by the University of Utrecht and the Erasmus Medical Center have developed a human antibody, which they say offers the potential for prevention and treatment of COVID-19. It will somehow weaken let's say, the ability of this virus to infect people. But then they don't want to raise any false hopes, because as we all know, it takes a lot of time for the medical experts to develop a vaccine. Now, at the moment, we're having nice weather, and this looks so inviting. At least the Dutch will have a chance to divert their attention to something positive. And one of them actually is what you might have seen, let's say, in the social media, especially in Facebook, that some groups, Dutch groups, students, and concerned citizens have invited people to just sign up in case they need help, especially the elderly. And these volunteers, already more than 400 names have signed up, are willing to pick up food for the elderly and for those who cannot leave their homes. Another thing is that, which we may say a positive idea, would be, now that school is out, and there's a lot of time for people to strengthen family bonding and probably to come up with something creative. This could be the time also for the young ones, helping the elderly use the digital technology, because this is the most effective way and much in demand tool at this time. As we know, social distancing is recommended. to prevent the further spread of coronavirus. And as for me, I don't have to go to my shop and have my hair done. I might be able to ask my husband to do it for me. Well, I wish you all a pleasant week, and we'll keep you updated as to what is happening here in the Netherlands. So take care, everyone. We know what measures to take. Stay calm.